This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with safety and access, park level, key out, and wait 2 minutes so the vehicle's systems go to sleep. Once done, put on gloves and eye protection. This prevents acid contact. You will remove the negative terminal first, then positive to avoid shorts. Next, slide or lift the seat and unbolt the access panel and battery tray bolts. Keep fasteners organized. Make sure to note cable routing and any sensor connectors as you loosen them, because you'll mirror this when installing the new battery. You now unbolt the hold-down clamp and lift the battery straight up, bend your knees. These units weigh 20 to 40 pounds. Once removed, disconnect any sensor harness, vent tube, or insulation and set them aside in order. Inspect cable ends and clean corrosion with a 50/50 baking soda and water paste if needed. Dry thoroughly. Before installing, compare the replacement battery's group size, cold cranking amps, voltage, and terminal orientation to the factory unit so it fits and functions correctly once secured. You install the battery positioning terminals exactly as removed, secure the hold-down clamp but avoid over-torquing. Once seated, reconnect the positive cable first, then the negative, and reattach any sensor connectors and venting. Replace the access panel and lower the seat. Start the engine to confirm charging. You should see about 13.5 to 14.7 volts at the battery. If the van won't start, make sure terminal clamps are tight. Check main battery fuses and verify the sensor plug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.